Rule number 3.
We're from the Home Edit. We organize people's homes for a living.
We do.
We have a few rules.
Just a couple, though.
Yeah, we learned from the master, my mother, Roberta.
She is the master.
She is the gold standard of house rules. All right, let's get into Roberta's house rules, because they are critical. If you
Write 'em down.
ever want to be invited back, okay? Take note. Rule number 1,
Never go near the fluffy white washcloths.
white fluffy towels are only for looks.
The cleansing balm actually has its own cleansing cloth.
And it's made with cleaner and safer ingredients.
Rule number 2, always mind the sheets. They need to be stripped at the end of your stay, and you better check your pillowcase to make sure not even a hint of makeup
Right, and she
got on
knows
it.
that you were there.
Oh.
You were in that bed. Those are your
Forensic
sheets.
analysis will happen, let me tell you. The Beautycounter makeup wipes, leave them next to your bed.
Compostable, you're
Yeah.
good.
Rule number 3,
Be the best gift giver that you can.
Beautycounter makes it super simple. These like beautiful gift sets, prepackaged and ready to go.
Something for everyone.
This is a set of 8 mini lipsticks. Who doesn't want that? So follow these rules and you too will become a Roberta approved house guest.
And gift giver.
I mean, good luck to all of you because it ain't easy.